All right, I've got a mattress here and it's ready to pop. This is one of my favorite things, the mattresses that come compressed. Oh, here it goes. I haven't even fully unwrapped it yet. This is awesome. Oh goodness, so this is a king size and I can't wait to show this to you. Look at this. Oh, this is gonna be so awesome. All right, I'm gonna fully get this open, put it on the bed, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got it unwrapped and it is on the bed frame right here, but it is still compressed. I love that they come compressed like this. It just makes it so much easier for shipping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the corner here, and then we are slowly gonna, you wanna be very careful with this because obviously you don't wanna get the mattress. And then we're just gonna go ahead and then we're gonna cut along here. And then once we get this out of here, you're slowly gonna start to see it. Yeah, so you can even see it starting to come to, oh, you can hear it a little bit. It's starting to fill up and come to life, obviously, because this one here is a 10-inch memory foam mattress. I think I've already said this is a king size. They do come in other sizes as well. And the best thing is once we get this out, of course, I'm gonna take the plastic off, and they do advise before you actually sleep on it, you know, you wanna let it like sit and settle for, you know, anywhere between 24 to 48 hours, just depending. So I'm gonna go ahead, as you can see, it's already starting to puff up. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out of this plastic. We're gonna come back and take a closer look. Look at this mattress. It has only been laying here for like 20 minutes and I'm already so surprised. I don't know if you noticed that when we first took it out, obviously because it was compressed, it kind of like did this like little U shape there because again, it needs that time to fully form. So you need to understand how important it is to not actually, you need to resist the urge to sleep on this the second you open it. It does need that time because if it doesn't properly form, you are not going to get that mattress that you so deserve. But yeah, so this is a memory foam. It does have the 6 layers in here. So you've got that really nice comfort going on here. Of course, when you're on this one side here, your partner is not going to be disturbed over there. This is gonna nicely contour to your body. It looks really nice as well. But again, you need to give it those few days to actually full out, like to get nice and firm. But yeah, if you're looking for a new memory foam mattress, this one here is great.